Everybody okay? Stunt team all right? Great job. Check the gates, Kevin, make sure we got the shot. Folks, as you just see, work with explosives can be one of the more dangerous, certainly one of the more unpredictable stunts that any stunt person like Kelly has to deal with every day. But with a stunt like that one you just saw, we don't have the benefit of hindsight. We better get it right the first time, or somebody could get hurt. That's why I have this gentleman on the set. I want you to meet him. Rich, yeah, man. This is the man responsible for that last stunt. He's also responsible for all of the explosions you'll see on the set today. Special effects supervisor, demolitions expert, this is Rich Diedrich. Hello. Thank you. Rich, I expect a little more fire on that. That's okay. We can fix that later. Fix that post. Yeah. Take a moment.